Here's how you can easily bulk delete or bulk archive clients from your database without losing other data. First, you'll want to click on Settings, Client, Lists, and Types. Create a new temporary list and give it a name such as TO Delete Clients. You can also customize the color code of this list so you can easily identify them at one glance. Once that's done, you can head over to your Clients section. Locate the names of the clients that you want to delete. Pay close attention to the existing lists that they belong to. In this example, we're going to delete these 3 clients here. They currently belong to the lists called Unconfirmed and hold in a relationship outside of S2S. Now, it's time to click on Actions and select Bulk Edit. A pop-up window appears. From here, you need to work on 2 fields only. First is the Add to List field. Select the temporary list you've just created so they are added to that list for deletion. Next up, you'll want to remove them from their existing lists. Select the names of the lists they currently belong. Scroll down and click Save. The page will refresh and you will notice that they have now been changed from their old lists and are now added to the new temporary list you've created. Now do an advanced search. From the first field, select List, choose Equal, and then select the name of the temporary list you're looking to delete. This will show all the clients you've placed under that list. Pay close attention to clients who are still not removed from any other lists. Then click Select All, click Actions, and then choose Archive. Alternatively, if you're 100% sure, you can choose Delete Clients. This will only archive or delete those selected clients off of your database. Please keep in mind that once a client profile is deleted, it can never be restored.